Hey guys, this is gonna be the second bookshelf tour, so I'm just getting to it because these next two are gonna be longer ones. So this is the top of it, like this is the top. There's no like shelf or whatever. This little doggy, I made it, and it has a little hat. I got this for my 8th grade graduation because I almost didn't graduate, but I did. And then I have my medieval times mug, and then the little R2-D2 mug is over there with Invaders in plush. This is a penny jar. It has a little slit in the lid. I put pennies in it. I also have this little elf hat that stays up here for a majority of the year. I have my cans collection. Like, this is one of my favorite energy drinks. They don't make it in this can anymore, but yeah, this is also discontinued. I have all three of those. I have the green label, white label, and black label. And then I have this that I found at a gas station. Maybe it was either in like St. Louis or Arkansas or something. I think it's really cool. It's Da Vinci Be Inspired. This is like an energy drink too. I got this poster at Warped Tour 2017. And it's for Courage My Love. They're a Canadian band. It's signed by I think it's signed by her. I got to hug her and him. She wasn't there after the show, but I got to hug them too, which is really cool because I've been following them for a while. And then behind here I have this little, this is from like fall products or something, and I keep like my extra like nail stuff in here. Like there's some stickers, there's some tips. Like this is like where most of my nail like junk is. But yeah, this is from like Girl Scouts. See, it says Girl Scouts, and it's like actually has a little like thing, so you can actually like hang it on the wall if you want. But yeah, and then I have a little strawberry origami thing. I have a bunch of, I have some weird like coins, and then I have these guys that I made. This is Squirtle, but he lost an arm. See, so I made this little guy. This one was the first one I made. My Charmander and Pikachu broke. This one I didn't make. And then I made Bulbasaur, and I have a little snake origami. I have some shark teeth in this little jar. I have a little sand dollar in this. I have this little Kyo charm that he lost one of his ears because I love Kyo. And this is like a puzzle. Like, it's a puzzle that you can like take apart. I got this for like Easter one year, and so like he's over there. And I have a little Thor hammer charm in the corner too. Okay, so let's get down to the next shelf. So this shelf actually has some books on it. I'm not gonna go through the books because I will make these videos super long, but yeah, I have my incense holder up here. I have this little pom-pom ornament that I made up here too. This is really cool though. This is like, I got this secondhand. Most of my books are secondhand. I don't know how to open this. Oh god, I'm dropping things. But yeah, it has like all these little cards. It has a little book in there too. But it's like, I have the perfectionism card on top because I'm a perfectionist. I need to be reminded that things are not perfect. And I dropped it. But yeah. Oh. Yeah, and then I have my little, let me move that. I have this up in the corner for now. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but it's like a little charging Pokeball port thing that's just up in the corner. This is the current top coat I'm like using when I use like glitters and stuff. That's why it's on top of a little glitter. I'm like using these little hex glitters currently right now, so that's why they're out. These are just like little golden ones. This is just like a cool little book with a spyglass and stuff, so like I really like that. I recently got these little gems. I have 1, 2, and 3, and that's all of those. This is a doll repaint I did. She has a mohawk. Her name is Acqua Frizzate, which is sparkling water in Italian, but she's like really cool. I put like some little flaky bits on her cheek, and she has like one tiny bit on her nose. And I made her dress too, which is why her dress is kind of bad. But yeah, and I have a little dolphin I painted. I have this little snake because I love snakes so much, and so yeah, I have a little magnet right here too. I got this from Five and Below. It's a little Hufflepuff one. I have mini Lincoln log set right here, which is really cool. This is a picture of my little boy. And then I have some nails things, nail like sticker things I want to use up. And I have two little Hot Wheel cars I really like. This is technically like a police like school bus or something, but I really like it. I think it looks really cool, so keep it on my shelf. I used to have like containers of them, but I don't know where all my Hot Wheels cars went to. So I only have these two actually. I don't think I have any on any other bookshelves. And I have these two Tokyo Ghoul characters. And I have like these are originally chess pieces, but yeah, I only have a couple of them. I don't have like a full set. So we got this goblin guy. And then, I don't remember the bad guys' names, I'm sorry. But these are from Lord of the Rings, so, yeah. This reminds me of the king guy. I don't know if it's actually that guy, but, yeah, I have those two right next to each other there. Okay, next shelf down, we got this little dragon. His name is Romeo. I got him in middle school. And he has this, like, doofy look on his face, but I love it. Like, look, he's so cool. He's so cute and doofy. And I have all my Rick Riordan, Percy Jackson books. See, I have the first 5, and then I have like the 3 extra books, and then I have like these, and then I have only 2 of the Apollo's one. I forget what it's called. And then I have this one up here. And then there's like a menu and stuff on top, which I'm not to get into that, but yeah, I have a little 20 questions thing because this is actually a people one, which I don't know where my original 20 questions went to, but yeah. And then I have a little pop from Glitter Force. I made this guy, so I also made a candy which I gave to a friend, but yeah. And then this is where I keep my little Hufflepuff phone case I painted. Yeah, and then this is just up all year round. And this is just a little, like, put together foam, little gingerbread house. And I put Spider Duck. This is a Spider Duck. Isn't he so cute? He's like the cutest thing. And he just lives up there. He lives on the Christmas house. He just is there, okay? And then I have a little, oh, who is this? Is this Gengar? I think that's his name, right? Gengar. My brain is like not working today, but yeah. And then this is my cat Ishi, who died just this past year. So there's a picture of him right there because I love him so much. But he passed away this past year. And then this is another repaint I did. I also made her dress, although her dress has a lot less shape and it just looks awful. I made her hat too. But this is supposed to be like me in doll form. Like, her hair is actually my hair. Like, that might seem a little creepy, but yeah. This is supposed to be me, although her freckles kind of look like a disease and not like freckles, but yeah. I made her like a little t-shirt, like A-line kind of dress. I tied it around the waist to try to give it a little more shape, but didn't really work. This is another one of these. Like, this can turn inside out into a Pokeball. And this is like Jigglypuff, I'm pretty sure. Jigglypuff or Clefairy, but I'm pretty sure it's Jigglypuff. And then I have this little cube, which is an origami cube, which this guy on his last day of school showed me how to make. And it was like, I think it was a year before I graduated, but on his last day of school he showed me how to make it, and I just kept it ever since because I'm like, I really like it and it's cool. It kind of has faded over the years because I graduated in like 2012, so like it's a couple of years old, but yeah. So, and then we'll go down to this shelf, which is the last like shelf that's not like enclosed. There's one more enclosed one. This is a paper crane I made on my last day of high school, so I kind of keep it here to remind me of that. I got a little Beanie Baby right here. This is I don't know what the Beanie Baby's name is, but I got this when I was like 3 or 4 years old from like this one program that the high school like does this program where they have like a class of little teeny tiny kids, and they like pair each kid with like a teenager that goes there or whatever. But yeah, I got this from that a person that was paired with me like when I was like 3 or 4, so I've just kept it. It's a little Beanie Baby, he's so cute. But yeah, and then I have this Care Bears Magic 8 Ball, because I really like Magic 8 Balls, but it's like low kind of, so it like gets all weird. But yeah, and then I have these 3 face masks right here right now, which they're just here until I use up the 2 that's in the bathroom right now, and then they'll go where those 2 are. And then I have a little scraper and stamper, because I tried out stamping nails and I can't get it to work really good. Like, these are my little stamping plates. I have stickers up here. But yeah, so I got these off of Amazon, I think. And I just have an empty box right here. I don't know why it's there, but it's just empty. It has nothing in it. And then I have this cool camera. If anyone knows anything about this camera, like, yeah, but it's really cool. It's Bell and Howell. I just really like the look of this, so that's why it's like on my little thing. But yeah, it's really heavy too. It's like a dense little guy. Like, you could probably crack someone's head open with it. It's like a brick. It's like as heavy as a brick, but I really like the look of it, so that's why it's like on the shelf. And then I don't think there's any like decorative things like in here. I have a train whistle in this little, like, it's closed. The series of unfortunate events is right there when you first open it. I also have the couple of the, like, this whole bookshelf is mostly series except for the top shelf, but I have train whistle in there. I think that's it. I don't think there's any other like decorative things. I have a massager. I think I have 2 massagers in there. But yeah, I have some like weird hook things that I'm not using too, like, but yeah. I didn't want to make this video like super long, so that's why I kind of like tried to speed through it, but whatever. The next one is gonna be hard for me too, because there's like a lot of stuff on the next one too. So hope you guys liked the video, and there's gonna be 2 more of these, so I'm almost done, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Look at my nail, it's so pretty. There's only like 1 glitter nail, but it's like I did my pinky. It makes me feel fancy, like fancy pinky. So bye.